The true sound of Celtic in Irish pronunciation.
Hello, and welcome to this quick guide on how to correctly pronounce the term Celtic in Irish pronunciation. This video is for all the language enthusiasts out there who want to make sure they're getting their pronunciations just right. The term Celtic refers to a group of languages and their associated culture native to the British Isles and Brittany.
What are the different ways to pronounce Celtic?
Celtic can be pronounced in two ways, with a hard C sound, like Celtic, which is common in American English, or with a soft C sound, like Celtic, which is typical in British English. However, neither of these pronunciations are exactly how the Irish would pronounce it.
How is Celtic pronounced in Irish?
The Irish pronunciation of Celtic is quite different from the American and British versions. In Irish, Celtic is pronounced as Celtic. The C sound remains hard, like a K, and there's a noticeable K sound at the end of the word, too. The E sounds like the E in get, and the I sounds like the I in bit.
Practice makes perfect.
The key to mastering any pronunciation is practice. Try saying the word Celtic in Irish pronunciation several times in a row, Celtic. Use it in a sentence, such as, "The Celtic language and culture are fascinating." The more you practice, the more natural it will sound. And there you have it, the correct Irish pronunciation of Celtic. Remember, language is about communication and understanding, so don't be too hard on yourself if you struggle with certain words. Keep practicing, stay curious, and soon enough, you'll be pronouncing Celtic just like a native Irish speaker. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, happy learning!